Dr. Anu George, finally a postgraduate student at the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. What was unique in the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics was expert guidance to help mold our skills and the development as a person on the whole. I would proudly say that my experience in the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics was a wonderful and enriching.
We are really blessed to have eminent faculties who provide complete freedom and guidance for doing various procedures. Even college provide a wonderful environment for each student to step into outer world with high confidence.
Postgraduate in Oral Medicine and Radiology PMS College, we have gained extensive knowledge regarding the diagnosis and treatment plan of various precancerous and cancerous lesions. We are achieving greater skill in diagnosing of oral manifestation of systemic diseases, diseases of the temporomandibular joint, salivary gland, and also the management of medically compromised patients. Another highlighting milestone in our college is three-dimensional volumetric image, that is CBCT. We are well expert in 2D and 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional imaging and interpretations. We are confident that the post-graduation from these prestigious institutions will broaden the horizon of our knowledge.
As a postgraduate student in the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, I had the aim of getting trained in surgical procedures involving the jaws alone. As I was exposed to more and more to what was being done here, I realized that this subject encompasses not just maxillofacial surgery, but craniofacial surgery, skull-base surgery, cancer surgeries, treating clefts, and even beyond. In our department, I have been given ample guidance in procedures ranging from minor oral surgeries, which is the bread and butter for a surgeon, and to the most challenging trauma cases as well. The friendly working atmosphere in our department and a wide range of exposure to patients has made me confident and has ingrained in me the ethics and morale to do justice to my patients.
As a PG of Prosthodontics in PMS Dental College, I am immensely blessed to gain exposure in areas like fixed prosthodontics, removable prosthodontics, dental laboratory technology, occlusion, TMJ dysfunction, dental implants, dental ceramics, and maxillofacial prosthodontics. Our department has a full-fledged complement of teaching staffs. We students understand the value and application of evidence-based dentistry to solve patients' need in an ethical manner. Our aim is to inspire confidence and trust that comes within aesthetically and functionally restore healthy smile.
Truly honored and privileged to be a part of this wonderful family. As we all know, the main USP of our department is the presence of well-educated, well-experienced and eminent faculties we have. Due to their constant support and mentorship, we have achieved many achievements in academic as well as non-academic platforms. And for this constant achievements, our department has been titled the Best Department Award for the past 4 consecutive years.
Hi, I'm Dr. Geeta Sunil, PG student from the Department of Orthodontics. Choosing the right institution for doing my post-graduation among various colleges was not an easy task. But through word of mouth and through media, I came to know many advantages of doing my post-graduation in the PMS Dental College. We are truly blessed to have good academicians as our faculty. State-of-art infrastructure comprising of later diagnostic tools like CBCT, software systems for treatment planning, and ready availability of newer orthodontic materials. It's indeed a boon to have a well-stocked library which is a true ready reckoner of our academic needs. There is no dearth of patience which imparts profound clinical learning and experience. So we are happy to be part of orthodontic department which guides us to become good clinicians and above all a good human being with proper interpersonal skills.
In the postgraduate clinic of Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry, we receive excellent training on comprehensive dental care in infants through adolescents, including those with special healthcare needs. The eminent faculty panel provide us with profound knowledge and practical know-how regarding the most recent innovations in the field of pediatric dentistry, be it techniques or materials. Our department can be proudly called one of the best in South India, striving to make sure that every postgraduate student who passes out of the department will meet international standards.